Steve Feldman of the Beth and Steve team with Keller Williams Realty, and we're at a rehab property that we recently acquired at auction for slightly more than the bank's mortgage on the property. We really like the fact that it's on a very quiet street on Bonney Briar, and it has a semicircle driveway, two-car garage, a nice little island in the middle which we could landscape. Car garage with a master bedroom above it. We're going to go inside. We're having our trash people come, and first thing is we're just going to clean the whole thing out, and we're going to put in an entire new kitchen here. Atrium doors out to the backyard, which is going to be quite pleasant, quite private. And our landscaper is going to fix it up nice.
Yes.
So we're going to rip up all this carpet, and the addition to the house, by the way, if my cameraman wants any of the anything left behind, there's a guitar here for him. And some furniture in here. And this is like a huge master bedroom that we're going to figure out if there's a good way to get an extra bath up here for this master. There is a bath on the second floor which services all three bedrooms at the moment, the other two on the other side. But we really want this to be a real luxury space, and we're going to accomplish that. Steve Feldman, Beth and Steve team, Keller Williams, thank you.